So we're here at my casa, doing a Christmas camp out.
I want to make s'mores.
Crystal wants to make s'mores.
I
glitter!
I like it inside. Well, I do, but not for so long. I know.
That's what we're doing today.
I have like an 80.
Say hi, Gabby.
Hi, Gabby.
Well, Dan.
Crystal and Seth just got into a fight.
Looking at these pictures.
Ooh. Don't fall, baby. Say hi, Magda.
Hi, Magda.
Mama making pizza.
I know.
Best box pizza you can get around.
Can we go outside?
Yep. Best box. Very good.
Well, you're probably have glitter and polish.
And we got our teams over on this side playing ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
YouTubing.
Hola.
I think he lost the ping pong ball.
Damn it, David.
Dude, there's like 50 of them at my house.
Yeah, I know. There's one over there right there. Alright, game point.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so
No,
that's what we're
I'm
doing
saying.
today.
Here.
We're camping out. Camping out. Camping out. Seth's picking out on a donut.
This donut's really good.
Sexy.
Now why?
Whatever.
Ma'am, your Girl Scouts always had their phone with them.
I know. Okay, well, bye. See you later.